Back home in politics, President William Ruto has called on governors to stop the push to control the contentious Roads Maintenance Levy Fund, it's called the RMLF, and allow him to disperse the roads funds himself.
The president's position now at loggerheads with that of the ODM leader, Raila Odinga, who called for the money to be given to the governors as part of their devolved function.
As our very own Emmanuel Tori now reports, the President also gave the members of Parliament a 3-week ultimatum to pass the Conflict of Interest Bill 2025 with new amendments. Take a listen.
The tussle over the control of the 10.5 billion shilling earmarked for road maintenance, which has been going on in and out of court for months now, between the members of the National Assembly and the governors, Sunday took another twist as President William Ruto urged both sides to cease fire and let the national government have control of the money.
Na hiyo pesa ya barabara mnayoputania mkiniwachia naweza kupanga pesa nyingi ya kutengeneza hizi barabara zote.
Hapa tuko hapa kitieni.
Speaking during an interdenominational Easter service in Tulele, Narok County, Ruto said the governors who have been maintaining roads in their counties had not demonstrated the capacity to handle more responsibilities.
Kwa sababu sasa hiyo pesa mnachukua mnaenda tengeneza barabara kidogo ya mara kutoka hapa mpaka pale, inanyesha siku moja inaisha yote. So nawaomba waheshimiwa mkubali, na sio kwa lazima, nasema naomba mkubali, tunaweza kupanga hiyo pesa ikaweza kutumika kwa njia nzuri.
The MPs have maintained that they are moved to bar the governors from having control of the monies currently under the government road agencies is to prevent looting of public resources. ODM Chief Raila Odinga has maintained a position opposite to the one held by the president, saying the money should go to counties.
Members of Parliament, Your Excellency, have no business concerning roads. The role of members of Parliament is clearly stated: representation, with legislation, and oversight.
President Ruto also calling for immediate passage of the Conflict of Interest Bill with the amendments he made last week in a bid to curb corruption.
Na kwa wiki 3 zijazo bunge lazima ipitishe sheria vile nimependekeza, ndio tuweze kukomesha mambo ya ubinafsi katika procurement na utendakazi wa mambo ya serikali.
The president who pledged 10 million shillings to construct a pastor's plaza in Narok County, calling for national unity.
The unity we are prosecuting in Kenya is divine. It is God ordained for us to be united. That is how we can be blessed as a nation.
Mambo yako tuliweka ya kwamba utakuwa president mwaka 10. So Your Excellency, kama kuna watu wengine wako na kelele pahali, kama wako hiyo homa haijatushika sisi pande hii ya Masaini.
Unajua sisi tukisimama hapa Wamasai wote wa Kenya, kura zetu haziwezi shuka chini ya 1.4 million. Na unaona kama Kalonzo anakimbia huko, anasema Wakamba wake 1.4, hata sisi Wamasai tutaenda mpaka kutoka Marsabit mpaka Kajiado, na tutakuwa na hiyo 1.4 na tutasupport William Ruto na Raila Amolo Odinga.
Emmanuel Tori, Citizen TV.